Hello everyone, today we are working with our middle split. We're stretching how open your hips without pain and with good results. So you can get started. You can use blocks like that or like that, how you feel comfortable. So let's start. We'll start working with right leg, pushing it up and relax. 2, 3, 4, and fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's change our leg on the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's work with the 2 legs. So we will fix them and relax. Fixed, relax, fixed, relax, and fix. Try to stay and take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Relax. Slowly go behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me, take me likes, and write me the good comments. So go and watch my other videos, follow me, and bye bye.